Hello, dear viewers. Today, we'll discuss a topic that concerns many of us: credit. Let's understand what credits are, the types that exist, and how to use this financial instrument wisely. So, what are credits? Credit is money that a borrower receives from a lender with the obligation to repay it in the future. It's an essential tool for financial planning and making significant purchases. Credits come in various forms: mortgages, auto loans, credit cards. Each type has its peculiarities and purposes. It's crucial to choose the one that aligns with your financial goals. What are the advantages of credit? The ability to buy a house, a car, or access services when you don't have the full amount upfront. However, it's equally important to be aware of risks, interest rates, penalties for late payments, etc. How do you get credit? The process involves submitting an application, considering your credit score and payment history. The higher your credit score, the more favorable conditions lenders may offer. Financial literacy plays a vital role in using credit. How to manage your finances correctly to avoid a debt trap. Let's imagine a life scenario with credit. How can credits help you achieve your dreams and goals, and at the same time, how crucial it is to remain financially responsible? And there you have it, our exploration into the world of credit. It's a powerful tool that can help you reach your goals, but it should be used wisely. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your experiences in the comments. Until our next meeting.